guys, Dutch here with January's EarFleek. So I just got my January's EarFleek, and so I figured I'd open it up. If you guys don't know what EarFleek is, it's a monthly earring subscription. Oh, my cat's knocking things over here. It is $3.49 a month, and you have 3 choices of earring styles. There is the Silly But Fun, Minimalist But Groovy, and Boho Babe. Now there is a 4th option called I Don't Give a Hoot, and then they just send you whatever one they feel like it that month. I subscribe to the Minimalist But Groovy. I have a feeling that I'm going to go back on and subscribe to the other 2 because I've been seeing what the other ones are getting, and I like all of them. So I'm probably going to try and get the other 2 and see how they all compare. But for right now, it's the Minimalist But Groovy. So let's see what we've got. They also always send you a little something with them, so we'll see what we've got. My cat, she loves being in the videos. She just wants to play with everything. All right, so let's see. We've got a card here. Bright Sellers. It's a $30 credit. Really? Juliet. $30 credit. For wine, I'm guessing. You want some wine, honey? Yes? Okay. There you go. Always get your little card with it. Hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings I personally selected just for you. Hope you love your new bling, your stylist. So, I mean, it's the same card every month. I could probably pull out the other ones and show you. Exact same card, but it's okay. It's nice that they send that. All right, here is the packaging. So, let's see what we're getting here. So I've gotten hair ties now 3 months in a row. These are more toys for my cat. It's really what they end up being. See? She wants the hair tie. There you go. All right, let's see what the earrings are this month. Oh, the one thing I like about the Minimalist is they're very simple. They're not gaudy. The thing I don't like so far about the Minimalist is they've all been gold colored. I'm not a fan of gold. Everything I wear is silver. All of my jewelry is silver or white gold. I don't like yellow gold. But these are really pretty. It's just a simple bar. You can see it. So it's just a simple gold colored bar, which I like. I like the a little bit longer earrings. Those are pretty. I will wear them, but like I said, I'm more of a fan of silver or white gold. So that's pretty much going to make me definitely try the other styles, just because all I've been getting is the gold colored, the yellow colored gold. So if you guys have any questions, leave me a comment and I will answer them as best as I can. She's gonna jump up. If you guys have any suggestions for other boxes, subscriptions that you would like to see me review, let me know. And if you want to just say hi to Juliet here, send her some love, give her some thumbs up. She would appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe. So, have a great one. And I'll be back, hopefully, more EarFleek and other stuff. All right? Have a good one. Bye. I don't know what my cat does. Juliet. She don't want to talk to me. You want this? You want the earrings? Or you want the hair tie? Do you want the earrings or the hair tie? Hey? Hey? What's going on?